Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these headphones with 14 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these headphones with your device. So first of all, you have to turn on the headphones. So here we have this power button. You just have to slide and bring it to the middle. So I will just bring it to the middle like this. Now the headphones are turned on. Now on your device, you have to download an app. Name of the app is Bose Music. So I will open the Play Store and then I will search for Bose Music app. So here we have this Bose Music app. I will select this install option and then we have to wait for the installation. The app is installed, so I will open this app and here you see we have this option of connect a product. So you have to select this option and then from here you have to select allow nearby device access. So I will select it and then select allow, and then from here you have to select this option of headphones and frames, and then if you want to create Bose account you can select get started, but I don't want to create any account, so I will select this skip option. And then you have to agree on terms of use and privacy policy, so I will select both options and then I select I agree. Okay, and then if you want to allow notifications, you can go to device settings, but I don't want any notifications, so I will select this option of no thanks. And then it will start searching for nearby devices, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC45 and here it is giving you the connect option. But after select this connect option, you have to slide this Bluetooth button. So here we have this power and Bluetooth button. You have to slide to the Bluetooth icon. So I will select this connect option and then I will slide this button. So here you can see I slide this button and now here it is showing you the pairing request. So I will select this pair option and then it will start making the connection. You just have to wait for a few seconds. And here you can see it is showing you the product tips. You can select all set. Okay, and then select get started. And now you can see Bose QC45 is now connected with your device. You can open it from here and you can use all the features and functions of these headphones. The next tip is about controls. So on the right ear cup, we have this center button. You can use this button to play or pause any audio or video. For example, if I want to play this video, I will press this center button one time like this and the video will start playing. Now, for example, if I want to pause this video, again I will press this center button and the video will pause. So this is how you can use this button to play or pause any audio or video. The next thing is about volume control. So here you can see we have this plus and minus button for volume control. For example, if I want to increase the volume, I will press this plus button. So I will press this button. So here you can see the volume is starting to increase. Okay, so here you can see, so this is how you can increase the volume. Now if you want to reduce the volume, here we have this minus button. So I will press this minus button. So here you can see now the volume is going to decrease. So this is how you can use these controls. The next tip is about how to move to the next track or next video. So again, I will use this center button. First of all, I will play this video by just pressing this center button one time. Now, for example, if I want to move to the next video, I will press this center button 2 times. So I will press it 2 times like this, and here you can see now it move forward to the next video. Now for example, if you want to go back to the previous video, you have to press this center button 3 times. The next tip is about phone calls. For example, I have a call on this device. So now I can use this center button. I just have to press it one time to answer this call. So I will press it one time like this, and here you can see the call is now answered. Now for example, if I want to end this call, again I will press this center button. So I will press it like this and you can see the call is now ended. The next thing is, for example, if you want to decline a call, so what you have to do, again you have to press this center button, but you have to hold it for 1 second. So press and hold it like this, and you can see the call is now declined. The next tip is about action button. So on the left ear cup, we have this action button. You can use this button for switching between different modes. I will show you how. First of all, open the Bose Music app, then open Bose QC45 and then open modes. So here you can see we have two options available, quiet and aware. For example, if you want to switch to the aware mode, just press this action button one time. So I will press this button one time, and here you can see now it switched to the aware mode. Now if you want to switch back to the quiet mode, again press this action button one time. So I will press it one time like this, and here you can see now it switched back to the quiet mode. Now let's talk about these modes. So guys, quiet mode allow you to block out distractions using the highest level of noise cancellation, and the aware mode provides full transparency and allows you to hear surroundings while enjoying your audio. The next tip is about equalizer. So I will open the Bose Music app, then I open Bose QC45, and here you can see we have this option of EQ. So I will open this EQ, and here you can see we have 4 presets EQs available. So you can select any of these EQs. You can also customize these EQs manually. So here you can see I can customize the bass, I can also customize this mid, and then I can also customize this treble. And then if you want to reset, we have this reset option available over here. You can select this reset option from here. Now let's talk about the charging time. So guys, it will take 2.5 hours for complete charge. You can also do 15-minute quick charge, and the 15-minute quick charge will give you 3 hours of battery life. The next thing is about battery life when fully charged. So guys, you will get 22 hours of battery life when these headphones are fully charged. The next tip is about multi-point connection. So guys, you can connect these headphones with 2 different devices at same time, and you can use both devices. So now I will show you how to make this connection. So here I have Android phone and here I have iPhone. So I already connect these headphones with Bose Music app on my Android device, and here you can see we have this option of source. So I will select this source option, and here you can see we have this option of add new. So I will select this add new option, and then on my iPhone I will open the Bluetooth settings. So I will turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, and then I will open the Bluetooth settings, and then what you have to do, you have to slide this Bluetooth button to this Bluetooth sign. So I will slide it like this. Okay, and then on your iPhone it is showing Bose QC45. I will select it, and then it will start making the connection. So here you can see now it is connected with my iPhone. Now here on your Android device you can see iPhone is added on my Bluetooth device list. Okay, and you can see both of them are enabled. Now on your iPhone you can open the Bose Music app. Okay, and here you can see Bose QC45 is also connected over here. So I can open it, and here I can use all the features and functions. And then if I go back from here, I can also use all the features and functions on my Android device. Now how to switch the connection? So it's very easy. For example, if you are playing any audio or video on your Android device and you want to play any audio or video on your iPhone, you just have to pause it on your Android device, and then you can play it, and then you can listen through your headphones. Same thing you can do in the opposite way. The next tip is about auto power off. So if you want to save the battery life for these headphones, you can select the auto power off option. So open the Bose Music app, select Bose QC45, and here you can see we have this settings icon. So select this settings icon. Once you go inside settings, you have to scroll down, and here you see we have this option of power. So you have to select this power option, and here it is showing you different times. So you can select any of these times. For example, if I select 5 minutes, so if I don't use my headphones for 5 minutes, they will auto off. Okay, so you can select any of these times. The last option is about never. So if you don't want the auto power off function, you can select this never option. The next tip is about self voice. So you can adjust how much of your own voice you want to hear when you are on a call. First of all, select this settings icon and then scroll down, and here you see we have this option of self voice. So I will select it, and here you can see we have 4 different options. You can go for high, medium, low, or you can completely turn it off. The next tip is about voice prompts. So if you want to change the language of voice prompts, you can select this settings icon and then scroll down, and here you see we have this option of voice prompts. So you can select it, and then here you can see we have this option of language. So currently it is set to English. If you select this arrow, here you can see we have different options. So you can go for Espanol, and then you can go for Dutch. So whatever language you want, you can select it from here. If you go back, we also have this option of disable. So if you want to completely disable the voice prompt, you can just disable it from here. The next tip is about software update. So if you want to update the software for these headphones, go to the settings. Okay, and then here you see we have this option of product update. So you can select this option of product update, and if there is any update available, it will show you over here, and then you can download it. The next tip is about hard reset. So if you want to restore the factory settings for these headphones, so first of all, you have to press and hold this action button, and you also have to slide this Bluetooth button together for 30 seconds. So I will show you. So I will press this action button, and then I will also slide this Bluetooth button for 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, you will see this LED light will blink amber. Okay, so we just have to wait. Okay, so here you can see I press this action button and I also slide this Bluetooth button, and then you will see this LED light. So here you can see the light blink amber. That means the hard reset has been done. Now you can leave this button, and here you can see it is also get disconnected with my app. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.